Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to share pages in Teamspaces in Notion. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to share pages in Teamspaces in Notion. The first thing you need to do is to sign into Notion, which of course I have done right here. Then open the page in your Teamspace. How do you do that? Navigate to the page you want to share within your Teamspace. You can find your Teamspace in the sidebar under the Teamspaces section. So this is my Teamspace and this is the Teamspace under it. I'm here. Now, once you're in this page, the next thing to do is to click on the share button in this page. At the top right corner of the page, you will see a share button, which is here. Click on this button to open the sharing menu. Now we are in the sharing menu. Go ahead and share within the Teamspace. Since your page is already within a Teamspace, it's already shared with team members who have access to that Teamspace by default. And if you want to ensure a specific group or individual within the team has access, go ahead and proceed with the steps I'm definitely going to show you. In the sharing menu, you can add individual team members by typing their email addresses or selecting their names from the list. So head over here and add their names if you want to. So click on that and add the email or the group of the team member, or if you have a list of them already, just go ahead and click on that and click on the invite button and the person will be invited. Okay, and now you can also share the page with specific groups if your team has organized members into groups, namely marketing or product team. Go ahead and enter the names or emails of the people or groups you want to share the page with in this space and or in this communication bar, and go ahead and click on invite. That's pretty much it. Then you can also go ahead to set permissions. So for each person or group you add, you can assign the following access levels. So let's say, for example, I am adding this person, and you click on this person's name. You see an option here that says full access. Now click on that. Once you click on that drop down icon, you can now select full access. If you select full access, it means this person can edit, manage the sharing settings, and perform all actions on the page. If you select can edit, it means this person can view, comment, and make changes to the content, which of course is a premium feature. And then if you choose can comment, it means they can view and comment on the page. And if you choose can view, it means it allows them to only view the page. You can go ahead and click on remove if you want to get that person out of that space. Now I'm going to go all the way back. Over here, you can add people from your team space. So here's everyone on my team space or everyone at Amanda Max Notion. Now click on the full access and click on this full access drop down icon for you to change your permission settings. And then you can also head over to everyone at Amanda Max Notion and of course change the permission settings or give the necessary permissions. Go ahead and click here. That's the copy link button. Go ahead and click on the copy link button to share it externally if you want to share this team space externally. That's to anyone who is not in your team space. Now you can control other advanced settings such as allowing or restricting people from duplicating the page, leaving comments, or downloading content offline. These options are found under the advanced section in the sharing menu over here. So once you head over to publish, you can go ahead and click on publish and click on this publish, and go ahead and toggle this off to disable duplication and customize the settings if you want to. So go ahead and click on publish because I don't want to publish the site, and give further permissions if you want to. That's pretty much. So to see who has access to the page, you can go back to the share button and review the list of team members, individuals, or groups with access. By following these steps, you can share pages efficiently within Teamspaces in Notion, ensuring the right team members have the appropriate access to collaborate effectively. Now you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you are done, you will be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.